Beaded earrings. Hello friends, make yourself a beautiful tatting earring or gift it to your loved ones. Basic requirement: fine quality yarn, shuttle, scissor and some beads. We need 15 small and one large uh, bead for one earring. You need to add beads to yarn before starting. In order, 4 small, 1 large and 11 small beads. To start with pattern, we'll first make a large ring with 6 double stitches, 1 picot and 6 double stitch. Now complete ring by pulling yarn. Now we'll make second ring, smaller one, near the first one, 2 double stitch, 1 picot and 2 double stitch. Close ring by pulling the yarn. This completes our first part of the earring. In second half, we will make 2 chains. Inner chain will consist of 6 beads. See in video how to wrap yarn over your fingers so that it's easy to slide beads while you are adding it to your work. Start making chain with 10 double stitch. After 10 double stitch, now we'll add bead to our work. Make first half of double stitch. Gently pull the bead towards left hand index finger. Now make a picot with bead. Similarly, we will do it for 5 remaining beads. Now after adding beads, we'll make 2 double stitch. And join the chain to picot of larger ring. See, the inner chain is complete. Now we have to make the outer chain. For outer chain we have 4 small beads, 1 large and 4 small. Now again wrap the thread around your finger and carefully and we'll now add beads as we have done earlier. We'll make 9 double stitch first. After 9 double stitch, we'll add first 4 small beads. Now slide first bead towards index finger of left hand and add the bead in picot. Similarly, we'll do for rest 8. Now after adding the large bead, we'll do the same thing for remaining 4 beads. Now complete the chain by making 16 double stitches. After 16 double stitch, now join the yarn at junction of 2 rings. Tie a knot and cut extra yarn. And this completes our second part and first earring. Add hook to the earring and it's ready to wear. Repeat steps to complete the pair of earrings. Abbreviations for your reference. Do not forget to hit bell icon. Subscribe to learn more about tatting accessories.